Hey, hey, I'm gonna show you how to kill a titan. There are so many ways, but I'm gonna show you what is the easiest way to kill it all. Okay, let's get started. There. Okay. Wait, I'm gonna fix something. Okay, there we go. There we go. I have a mod that I can show you. It's Tokyo Gold mod. Usually Tokyo Gold mod, you can see it in this page. Wait a moment. It's loading. Okay. I'm gonna type on my computer Tokyo, and that's it. There we go. Tokyo. Search it Tokyo Ghoul mod AOTTG. Okay. Now I want you to go in this one. Mod Hot Tokyo Ghoul Attack on Titan. Fangly. He has some voice. Stop the video. Go at this one. Find the link, download that one. Click on it. It will load. Okay. So it will come like that. Press the Tokyo Ghoul mod exe and go here. Spam download link, or I mean click. Once you click it, bam, it's downloading. I'm gonna cancel it. Okay. Okay, we will see at the game. Okay. Okay, I'm back. Now, once you download it, go at this. You must search for only Tokyo and this. Yeah, that one. Click it. X. Press this and wait for it. Close this one, not X. Run. Choose whatever you want. What's more comfortable for you, and click play, and you will see connected. Yeah. Choose whatever you want. Sorry guys if it's messy. Now I'm gonna arrange something very fast. Okay. The player Isha, it depends on you. We'll go for this one. Look how I will kill the Titans. Nigga, join it. Nigga. What? Tune. Let's join the tune. Okay. Okay, we're in. Choose anything you want, but I'm gonna choose my set one because I read it. You will see like that. It's a special purpose. Well, mind the Titan. Or unless you want to watch the video, watch it. But I'm gonna show you here how to come to Untitan. Me, I'm on killing profession, but not much. Sometimes I've been killed. But sometimes a Titan Slayer is controlled by humanity. Whoa, nigga. Just like that. First, you want to hook it. Second, try to hook it at the eye. Once you do it, attack its eye and release the hook and kill it. Oh my gosh, nigga. Kill it like a boss. See, it's controlled by humanity. Okay, so I guess I will show you in this way. Go to the city. It's 15. I almost killed them all. I was tired. The Titans left. There's only 3, nigga. It's on you. If you're in the back, slash it. Go. Don't let you grab it. But once you grab it, it's okay. Because you can escape it. So that's why. Like this. Grab me. Grab me. Oh, not that. Grab it. There. And grab. The technique is go up. And if you want it, like that, I spin it at its eye. Once I did it, go to the, it depends on you what kind of attack. If it looks, it's okay. Because once you attack it, it will die. Oh my gosh. It goes. So spin it. Okay, I'll teach you how to do it in the powder. Pok. Why, nigga? See, it's grab me. It's hard, right? But once you mastered it, like me, you'll never miss it. Okay, what a lovely bunch. Always use your gas. Sometimes do not use your gas so much, because when you need it, you will go like my cousin. She almost died. If Titan Eren was not in there, or Eren has no Titan form, she might die. The second one, I'll show you the pommel strike. hook it to the arm. Hey, man, I do it wrong. This one is the called, it's called the dodge shot. Yeah. Oh my gosh, dodge shot is unlock. It's unlocked as strike. Do you wanna know why? Wait, I'm gonna show you. I made this one. Dodge shot, aka the assassin shot. Bam! See? Kill it like a boss. This one is the hook shot. Man, Nagi. That is the second way of the dodge shot. Is the swing shot. It's okay. Swing shot. No, almost did it. But secret technique for the dodge shot. Press W and control forward. Okay. This strike, you know the swing shot, right? You can review it again. But this is the last shot that I'm gonna teach you. It has two ways. The other way is like a swing shot, but this swing shot is from a building to a titan. This swing shot is from the titan from itself. Nigga. Oh, hook it. Still hook it. Man, I did it wrong. Okay, let's go. Hey! See? You need a gas from there. Oh, nigga. Almost nailed it. There I go. That's the confused shot. You can do it sometimes. I did it for the first time. And I already did it. Dodge shot. Okay, this is the building. Told you, building from a titan. And finish it like a boss. Nigga. Whoa. Oh, I almost did the sparrow strike. Nigga. Again, we must kill it. So you know how to do the titan from a titan. Can't nail the titan. Bah! Ding! Bang! Okay, guys. See ya. bet you the witness. Goodbye, like a boss.